What's good, guys? This is day 6, and day 6 looks so good on me, man. So I'm so excited that this is how far we've come. And as usual, I'm gonna do my morning walk. And today I have done my morning exercise, and I'm still going to be watching my calories. So I'm also going to give you a quick explanation of how you can, lose weight or keep fit with AI, with ChatGPT or whatever AI tool you're going to use. So this is it. First of all you need to do is to list down the kind of food you eat on a weekly basis. You know the kind of food that is available to you. You know what you usually eat week in, week out, right? So just list those food items to ChatGPT. You can be very, very elaborate. Tell him how much of that food you eat. For instance, if it's rice, you can say, I usually eat one big bowl of rice about twice or three times in a week. So the rice is made with oil. I also eat with 2 or 3 pieces of meat or chicken. Just elaborate on whatever it is you're eating. So if it's fufu, if it's eba or aku or any other swallow, I'm a Nigerian, so these are the kind of food we eat. So you tell ChatGPT the size, the quantity that you eat, and try to elaborate on what you eat. So if you give him the list of all of these things that you eat on a weekly basis, what you will now tell the AI is that based on what I have available to me and based on what I eat on a weekly basis, I need you now to recommend a healthy meal plan based on what I have available to eat. So from all that you have available, ChatGPT will now, give you a breakdown of the calories that you intake as it is now. Then it will now also recommend to you how you should eat this food that is available to you, the quantity you should eat, such that it will give you the desired amount of calorie you should be taking, so that you'll be on a calorie deficit. Because if you want to lose weight, you definitely have to be on a calorie deficit, and the only way is for you to watch your diet and then exercise. So far as you you follow that plan, your calorie intake will be reduced. You'll be on a calorie deficit. Then you now engage in exercises, morning exercises and all, and that will be it. Before you know, you kind of start losing weight. You will start feeling it. In fact, by the time you do that thing for a week, you feel it in your body, right? So you don't necessarily need to go and start looking for one exorbitant stuff that you have to pay for, and probably at the end of the day, after you've paid for the meal plan and everything, you now see that it's not really it. And then you're still lazing about. I mean, just make do with what you have. You get, just start. You can start with AI can draft a meal plan for you based on what you have available. You follow that meal plan for like a week, 2 weeks, and then you exercise. It will even recommend exercises for you. It will tell you if you're able to do 30 minutes walk every day, it's going to burn so number of calories, you get. And you have an idea of how these simple things can impact your weight, your life, your health. So give it a try and let's see how it goes. So this is my own journey. I'm already on the 6. All right. So I want it to be like after. Let me show you. So after a week, I'll go and check my weight. I want to be checking my weight after every month, but I just really want to go and see how much weight I've lost, or if at all I've lost any weight after doing this for a week, right? So I'll still go and check my weight after 1 week, and I'll give you guys an update. So hope this was helpful to someone. If you want to do this, or if you're inspired by this, kindly give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And this eventually is even influencing every other area of my life. I see how by just being disciplined to keep up with this, every other thing I'm doing just feels better. So I'm certain this is the way to go. So cheers, guys, and I hope you guys also embark on your own journey. Take care. See you in the next one.